How to create a pivot table in Excel is straightforward. Here's the step-by-step guide to help you to create one. Step 1. Prepare your data. Ensure your data is organized in a tabular format with headings for each column. There should be no blank rows or columns within your data. Step 2. Select your data. Click on any cell within your data range. Excel will automatically detect the range of data you want to include in your pivot table. Step 3. Insert the pivot table. After selecting your data, go to the Insert tab in the Excel ribbon. Step 4. Click on Pivot Table in the Tables group. Click on Pivot Table. A dialog box will appear, showing the selected data range. Step 5. Choose where to place the pivot table in the Create Pivot Table dialog box. Select whether you want the pivot table to be placed in a new worksheet or an existing one. Step 6. Design the pivot table. The Pivot Table Fields pane will appear on the right side of your worksheet. This pane allows you to design your pivot table by dragging fields into different areas. This will organize your data vertically. Columns. Drag the fields you want to use as column labels into this area. This will organize your data horizontally. Values. Drag the fields you want to summarize into this area. Excel will display the summarized data in the cells. Filters. Drag the fields you want to use as filters into this area. Filters allow you to slice and dice your data based on specific criteria. Step 7. Customize the pivot table. Optional. You can customize the pivot table by right-clicking on various elements, e.g., values, labels, totals, and accessing options like Value Field Settings or Field Settings. This allows you to change the summary function, number formatting, and more. Step 8. Refresh the pivot table, if needed. If your source data changes, you may need to refresh the pivot table to reflect the updates. To do this, right-click anywhere within the pivot table and select Refresh. That's it. You've created a pivot table in Excel. You can now analyze and summarize your data in various ways using this powerful tool.